Yeah, I like literally cannot get out of here.
Yep, I says I'm trying to pull you. It says target not in the line of sight.
What the fuck? Can you see me?
Oh yeah, you're like in the middle of the fucking box.
I wonder... Well, they're not gonna be able to kill me then. So,
No.
I can just sit here and wait until
Yeah,
they,
I'm
like,
gonna just
orbit
die.
me.
Yeah, I'm just gonna
What the
die.
fuck?
I need a target.
Can you target me and res me? Just out of curiosity.
I can target you, but...
And they're hitting you.
Wait, what the fuck? I can't target... Oh, I could target them, but I can't hit them.
But the druid can hit you. Are they hitting you, Jen?
Kind of. Not very hard. But they are.
That's awesome. Just, yeah, just keep trying to heal yourself.
God,
You
this
got
is so
16
dumb.
minutes. Wow.
This is unbelievable.
Well, this is fucking retarded.
You're telling me. I don't get why they can target me, but I can't target them.
Yeah, really.
I wonder if they can only auto-attack me, that's why it's taking so long to kill me.
Yeah, that's exactly what it looks like. Gotta love the pre-shield.
Right.
Can you hear? Or bomb? I guess you can't do anything. Can you psychic scream?
No, because I have bomb. Wait, did I just bomb them?
Yeah. How'd you do that? Uh-oh. Yep. There you go.
Oh my god, now they can't target me because I shadow melded.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
Aw shit, they found me. God damn it, what the fuck?
Wow.